Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan, and guys, gals, boys, girls, everybody who's interested in health in their mouth and keeping your mouth clean particularly, we're going to talk a little bit about flossing today. And no, flossing can be sometimes a bit of a nuisance, especially if you're wearing braces or if you have bridges. Braces are being used by adults more and more frequently, and it's very important to clean between your teeth and around the braces to make sure that you don't get gum disease or periodontal problems or infection of the gum. This is Olivia, who is our dental assistant, who is absolutely terrific and wonderful, and we love her very much. And she's going to show us and you guys how to use some of these aids, and I'll tell you a little bit about my personal preferences too. So Olivia, why don't you show them the Floss Threader for starters, because that's what is frequently recommended.
It's easier to maneuver with the Floss Threader because it's a little bit thicker. It can go right underneath the wire, so you can pull it up and floss your teeth with it, just like that. But it does take a little bit longer because you're going to have to re-prep the Floss Threader every time. I think that Dr. Nemeth's personal favorite, which is a Softpick Advanced, is a good way to clean with braces.
This is what I use every day in my mouth. I think it's very, very, very good, and it will work around braces and under bridges because it fits between the teeth very nicely, and you can massage the gum and clean very thoroughly with it. And this is called a Softpick Advanced, and this is actually my favorite instrument or actual tool for cleaning between the teeth with or without braces. So I happen to love the Softpick Advanced. And Olivia, why don't you tell them about our next piece, which is the ProxaBrush.
So the next two instruments are called Proxy Brushes. They come in a variety of sizes, so you can clean every area of your mouth with them. One is smaller, one is a little bit larger. So sometimes there's more space in the molar regions, and that's a good way to clean in between the molars. Right in between, it helps massage the tissue and clean in between the teeth. It can clean in between the wire or go right in between those front teeth for an area that's a little bit smaller.
And sometimes if it's a little bit of a struggle with this, you can just take it apart and use the short end like this. It's easier to get back to some of the back teeth or some of the more difficult to reach areas. And of course, as Olivia may have mentioned, you can bend this to get behind some of the back teeth a little bit more easily, and it's probably good for larger spaces between the teeth as opposed to the Softpick Advanced, which is more appropriate for tighter spaces between the teeth. Now, another one of my favorites are called Dr. Pics. Now, Dr. Pics are the smallest, and they will get into the smaller areas that maybe the Softpick won't get into or anything else won't get into. And these are great also. I actually like these very much. They have a pointy end and a brush end. I generally like to use the brush end. I think it does a better job. Although if the area is really tiny, it's possible that the pointy end might work a little bit better. And actually what I do is I do use these periodically just for a change of pace, although my main go-to is the Softpick Advanced, as I said before, but these come in very handy. Now there's another instrument, another tool, shall we say, that you can use to clean between the teeth, and it's called the platypus flosser, and it looks kind of like this, but it will fit under the braces and under bridges, and so it will work pretty well also, although again, my favorites I've shown you are the Softpick Advanced, the Dr. Pics, and the ProxaBrushes. Let me tell you my ultimate go-to and co-favorite along with the Softpick Advanced, which I also use every day. Critical, very, very important. Use it whether you have braces, you don't have braces. It makes a huge difference in cleaning between the teeth, and it's the Waterpik or a water flosser, and I'll let Olivia tell you a little bit how we use that.
So we recommend our Waterpik water flosser for all of our patients, whether or not you have braces. It's a great instrument to clean in between your teeth to keep your gums healthy and your teeth healthy. It will help flush out any of those smaller items that maybe the Soft Pick Advanced or the Dr. Brush Pick can't get, or those areas that are harder to reach. It's very nice because you can turn the Waterpik on multiple different speeds, so if you need a little more power in those back molar regions to flush out some popcorn kernels or something like that, this will definitely do the job. And it's also nice because you can have a smaller water reservoir for when you just want to do a little touch up, or if you want to do your full mouth, which is what we recommend, that you fill up your entire water tank and use it around each and every area of your mouth. And it's gonna really just help keep everything as clean as it can possibly be, in conjunction with using those other tools to clean in between your teeth.
There are different nozzles for different purposes. Some are just for straight flushing, some are more for irrigating. At any rate, it has very great versatility. I think you'll find that the Waterpik, if you use it before you go to bed at night, you'll be surprised at how much food debris and particles still come out even after you've done everything else to clean your teeth and clean between the teeth. Very frequently, the Waterpik will flush out additional materials. Not only does it do that, but it tends to stimulate the gum tissue too, and the Waterpik is like totally great. I use it on the highest pressure. If you're not used to it, start on low pressure, and I generally recommend working your way up to the very highest over a period of a couple of weeks or so. But use the highest pressure. I think it's best, unless some areas are very tender or sore, then take it a little bit easier. So the Waterpik is invaluable. I recommend it to virtually everyone. It's very important keeping your gums healthy and your mouth healthy. And remember, keeping your mouth healthy will mean your body will be healthier. Absolutely, it can make a big difference. There are so many diseases that are linked with increasing risk to gum problems or periodontal problems or an unhealthy mouth. So make sure you keep your mouth healthy, keep it clean, healthy mouth, healthier body. Have a great day. Any comments we are welcome to hear, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd love to have you as a viewer.
Restore your smile and your health with the help of Dr. Nemeth and his associates. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.